Friends, welcome back to my channel Maths Made Easy. So let's continue topics on multiple angles part 13. So our question number 51. Prove that sin 2a plus sin 2b whole square plus cos 2a plus cos 2b whole square is equal to 4 cos square in bracket a minus b. So solution, left hand side. So you can check over here. We have in the form of a plus b whole square. Here also a plus b whole square. So we know the formula for a plus b whole square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you know. So applying this formula, we will get this line. Please take your time to go through it. Okay. Thereafter, we will do some arrangement. What we will do is, here is sin square 2a and here is cos square 2a. We will keep them together. Similarly, here is sin square 2b, here is cos square 2b. We will keep them together. Then we will keep 2 sin 2a into sin 2b and 2 cos 2a into cos 2b together. So we will get this line. Is this clear? Okay. And then we know sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Sin square b plus cos square b is also 1. Actually we have sin square 2a over here. And here is cos square 2a. But no matter. It is also 1. So similarly sin square 2b plus cos square 2b is also 1. Is this clear? And then in between these two terms we will take 2 as common. So I hope this is clear. 1. This one from these two terms. And this one from these two terms. Okay. Thereafter, can you guess what can be done? So before we proceed, we must recall back one formula. We know cos a minus b is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So this formula will apply over here. Compare the right hand side and this portion. So we can write this as cos 2a minus 2b. I hope this is clear. Then we will take 2 and 2 common. So I hope understood. And then again we must recall back one formula. We know cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. I repeat, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So here also we have cos 2a. Let's consider a minus b as single angle. So it is cos 2a. So applying this concept, we will get 2 cos square a minus b minus 1. Actually it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Am I clear? Okay then. Now this 2 will multiply this 2 and this 2 will multiply this 1 to get this line. Are we clear? Thereafter, here is plus 2, here is minus 2. They will cancel out each other and then we are left with 4 cos square a minus b, which is our right hand side. So proved. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's go to next question. Our question is question number 52. Prove that cosec 2a plus cosec 4a plus cosec 8a is equal to cot a minus cot 8a. So in this question, we'll begin with right hand side. So in right hand side we have cot a minus cot 8a. So let's change them into cos and sine. We know cot a is cos a over sine a and cot 8a is cos 8a over sine 8a. Now this 8a means 2 into 4a. So before we continue further, let's recall this formula first of all. We know cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. But if we have cos 4a, can we write this cos 4a as cos 2 into 2a? So which is again 2 cos square 2a minus 1. Similarly, if we have cos 8a, we can write this as cos 2 into 4a, which is again 2 cos square 4a minus 1. Similarly, if we have sine 2a, then we know sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a. But if we have sine 4a, we can write sine 4a as sine 2 into 2a, which is again 2 sine 2a into cos 2a. And if we have sine 8a, we can write this as sine 2 into 4a, which is 2 sine 4a into cos 4a. So please take your time to go through these formulas, because these formulas we should apply in this question frequently. So now, as I said, this 8a can be written as 2 into 4a. So this is what I have done, and then it is cos 2 into 4a. So it is over here. Sorry, it is over here cos 8a, means cos 2 into 4a, which is 2 cos square 4a minus 1. So this formula will apply in numerator, and in denominator it is sine 2 into 4a. Sine 2 into 4a is 2 sine 4a into cos 4a. So we'll apply this formula and we will get this line. I hope this is clear. Now we will split LCM. Splitting of LCM is clear to you. Is this clear? Okay. Now after this, let's do some simplification. Here is 2 and here is 2. They can cancel out each other. Here is cos 4a and here is also cos 4a. So we can cancel square and cos 4a. Is this clear? So in the next page, I will copy this line again to avoid confusion. So let's go to next page, and in next page we have the same line copied. Is this clear? So as I said, 2 and 2 can be cancelled. Cos 4a and square can be cancelled. Then we are left with only cos 4a in numerator and sine 4a only in denominator. And here, can we again write this as sine 8a? Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Again, 1 over sine 8a is cosec 8a, because the reciprocal of cosec is sine. Am I clear? Okay. And thereafter, here is cos 4a. Cos 4a is cos 2 into 2a, which is 2 cos square 2a minus 1. Similarly, here is sine 4a. Sine 4a is sine 2 into 2a, which is 2 sine 2a into cos 2a. So we have applied the formulas over here in these two terms. Please take your time to understand. And thereafter, again, we will split LCM over here. So upon splitting LCM, we have got this line, got this portion. Please try to understand. Okay, again simplification. This 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Here is cos 2a and here is cos square 2a. So square and cos 2a cancelled. And this 1 over 2 sine 2a into cos 2a. 2 sine 2a into cos 2a is sine 4a. So it is 1 over sine 4a. Isn't that? So instead of this, we have written 1 over sine 4a. I hope this is clear. Thereafter, 1 over sine 4a is cosec 4a. And here we can apply formula again. Here is cos 2a and cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. Here is sine 2a and sine 2a is 2 sine a into cos a. So we have applied the formula. I hope this is clear. And then again we'll split LCM over here. So in next page we'll split LCM. So this is, I hope, clear. Now again we will do simplification. This 2 and this 2 cancel. Cos a and square cancelled. And this one, it is 1 over 2 sine a into cos a. But we know 2 sine a into cos a is sine 2a. So in next line, this 2 and 2 cancelled and cos a over sine a is left. I think this is clear. And then this 1 over 2 sin A into cos A is 1 over sin 2A. And 1 over sin 2A is cosec 2A. I hope this is clear. Now we will open the bracket. Here is minus sign. This minus sign, when we open the bracket, we will change all the signs. So upon opening the bracket, we will get this line. Look here is minus and here is plus sign. So minus plus is minus and minus is plus, minus is plus, minus is plus. Now this fraction and this fraction will cancel out each other, isn't that? Then after this we are left with only these three terms, that is cosec 2a plus cosec 4a plus cosec 8a, which is equal to our, it is left hand side proved. Is this clear? Okay, it should be left hand side. Okay, thank you very much. So at last I request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you.